Hello and welcome to Friday Night Live Lounge with the Rombodog. Almost exposed my identity there by leaving my sunglasses on the couch. But anyway, right, we are going to do a revisitation special. And this is one that I first done on Facebook, but I can't seem to get those videos on YouTube. So we're going to do this classic again. Everyone loves Kenny Rogers. He's inspired millions of people around the world. And I'm going to take some of that inspiration, pass it on to you with a little bit of a lyrical difference. So take your inspiration from the great man and myself today, and we'll get it done. We're going to do Drunk, of course. And if you're familiar with these songs, there may be graphic. My tongue's just had a stroke, but there may be graphic lyrics of a sexual nature in this upcoming performance. So we'll get it done. Okay, right. Kenny, how does it go? Let's see. On a warm summer evening, on a train right to Airdrie, met up with an ugly girl. We were both too drunk to speak. So I handed her my cider, romantically denied her. Said I usually prefer my girls with all their fucking teeth. So she handed back my bottle, said it's easier to swallow if you've only got a set of gums, no teeth to grind or bite. Oh, I just got to thinking, even though you're fucking stinking, I might try that experiment just to prove you're right. She really knows how to show them, knows how to blow them, with one hand in your pocket and another on your sack. Never count your money if you're on the train to Airdrie, 'cause she'll steal your fucking wallet and you'll never get it back. Now every slapper knows that the secret to surviving is picking up the drunkest guy and making sure he's rich. So easy on that whiskey, even if you're feeling frisky, 'cause you'll end up paying for traders for the brings you to this bitch. Well, sometimes I go looking for the train right to Airdrie, see if I can find the girl who smiles into this grin. 'Cause even though she's robbing my happiness was throbbing, she can keep the fucking trailers and everybody wins. Knows how to blow them, with one hand in your pocket and another on your sack. You never count your money if you're on the train to Airdrie, 'cause you steal your fucking wallet and never get it back. That crowd participation, this one okay. Sing along home if you're watching, kids. She really knows how to show them. Knows how to blow them. One hand in your pocket and another on your sack. Count your money if you're on that